Hey y'all, if you love the look of Z Gallery, Pottery Barn, or Anthropologie, but not their price tags like me, then you're in the right place. By the way, I'm Lonnie, and I'm gonna show you how you can get the luxe home of your dreams without breaking your budget. Friends and family that has visited my home, they may think I shop at high-end stores all the time, such as Z Gallery, but what they don't know is that I'm only using them for inspiration. I get their high-end look and go to another store and get the same exact item for a much lower price. You'll see. So here's a good example, y'all. This glass beaded bowl set, it's being sold at Aldi for $9.99. A very similar set known as the Jupiter beaded bowl set at Pottery Barn is being sold for $48. I'll take this one for $9.99, Alex. By the way, I just checked two of my local Aldi stores near me, and I was able to get the plates, the bowls, and the glasses in the Jupiter Pottery Barn dupe versions. I do know that they also had the cake stand. I did not get the cake stand, but it varies per store, so be sure to check your local Aldi store. So let's get into more of these dupes, y'all. This abstract set of ceramic vases, I can't even really tell the difference, but as you can see, the set on the left is from Wayfair for $59.99. Gotta count that. And the set on the right is regularly priced at $19.95 at Amazon. Which set are you gonna get? These West Elm vases are lovely. However, it's gonna cost us over $100 if we want more than one. So I'd rather get all four for less than $30, and we can make that happen at Amazon, of course. Who says you can't have style and savings? Here are my top 10 high-end home decor dupes. Coming first on our left is Z Gallery's Nora table lamp featuring 24 inches of pure luxury real ivory jade and polished nickel accents. It's definitely unique, elegant, and expensive, not to mention the special cleaning instruction. Now on the other side, we have the Jonathan Y lamp from Amazon. Similar sleek design, polished nickel base, and a beige drum shade. But here's the kicker. It's smart home compatible, and it comes with LED bulbs, making it energy efficient and modern. Nora will cost you $313.99, while the similar lamp is just $78 at Amazon. Look-wise, they're close, but the dupe wins for budget friendliness, smart features, and it's low maintenance. Now for number 2 on my list. Meet the Bristol Chandelier, a Pottery Barn bestseller that is hand-woven with hundreds of wooden beads on an iron frame. Now let's check out this dupe. This Bohemia wooden boho-style chandelier features over 1,000 oak white wood beads and even comes with a hemp rope for that rustic feel. It accommodates 5 bulbs, is dimmable, and best of all, adjustable in height for a custom look. The Bristol chandelier costs $899, while the dupe, $169.99. Both are stylish, but the dupe wins for affordability, easy installation, raving reviews, and more lighting power. Just check out the reviews and see for yourself. It's a great buy and easy installation according to most buyers. And look, the seller is currently offering an additional 5% off. More savings for us. Now let's move on to number 3 on my list. This high-end coffee table from Z Gallery is all about artisanal details, each piece unique with natural variations. It's sleek, sophisticated, and built to last. But it does require extra care, which means no heat, no spills, and no harsh cleaners. Basically, it's the diva of the coffee tables. Now let's talk about our dupe from Amazon. This natural wood coffee table keeps things simple with a smooth finish, clean lines, and visible tree rings that add a natural cozy touch. It's spacious, sturdy, and best of all, super easy to assemble in just 10 to 15 minutes. No high maintenance rules here, but the best part, or should I say the coolest part, is it's hand painted. The Bristol coffee table is $1,888.99, while the dupe, just $328.99. Both are gorgeous, but the dupe wins for affordability, easy maintenance, and stress-free setup. Next up is Pottery Barn's stunning Baldwin leather swivel chair. It's aniline dyed, so the natural grain and variations shine through. This means over time, it softens, darkens, and develops that rich patina we love. However, it does require special care. No sunlight, no detergents, and no rough treatment. A leather specialist is your new best friend if things go south. Now, meet the budget-friendly contender, this Pemberleaf microfiber chair at Amazon. While it may not be leather, the durable microfiber upholstery still gives it that luxe, velvety feel without the wrinkles or the upkeep. It's super easy to clean, has sturdy hardwood frame, and bonus, it swivels. Oh, and did I mention? No assembly required, just unpack and relax. The high-end leather chair will set you back with its price ranging from $13.99 through $15.99, but the dupe, just $519.63. If you're all about durability, easy cleaning, and an instant setup, the dupe is a no-brainer, y'all. Come on now. Now we have this stunning Z Gallery gold halo mirror with a glam gold finish, weighing in at 23 pounds. It's sleek, elegant, and effortlessly makes a statement. Now, let's talk about the dupe mirror. Instead of getting the one expensive mirror, you can get a set of 3 smaller mirrors. Yes, 3 trendy metal mirrors with geometric designs. You could buy 2 sets for less than $100 if you wanted to. Plus, you can arrange them however you like for a custom wall display. The high-end mirror costs $278.99, while the dupe is just $47.34 for a set of 3. We've only got 5 more to go, y'all. How about this Crate and Barrel extra large arch floor mirror with a sleek black stainless steel frame? It leans effortlessly against the wall, making a bold and elegant statement in any space. It's got that high-end minimalist vibe, but remember, it's not meant for hanging, so make sure you have the perfect spot for it. Now let's talk about this dupe. This oversized full body mirror is slightly larger and gives you the flexibility to lean, prop up, or even hang it. The black aluminum frame is just as sleek and it blends effortlessly into any modern space. Plus, it's a bit more versatile for different setups. Crate & Barrel's mirror is currently $799, but if you love options, budget-friendly, and bigger sizes for less, the dupe is a fantastic choice for only $188.88. Up next, we have the Pottery Barn Faux Olive Tree. This stunning tree brings the sun-washed Mediterranean straight into your home with its lifelike green and silver leaves. Perfect for creating a statement in your entryway or adding life to any corner of your living room or office. It's made with upcycled materials and no need for maintenance. This tree is as beautiful as it is eco-friendly. The price ranges from $249 through $549, depending on the size. That's with Pottery Barn. Now let's look at the dupe. The Cazalia artificial olive tree offers a similarly stunning look with its realistic trunk and lifelike leaves and fruits. It stands at about 72 inches tall. This tree fits perfectly in living rooms, offices, or even commercial spaces like coffee shops. With adjustable branches for customization and a sturdy pre-assembled pot, this tree gives you the Mediterranean vibe for just $53.99, y'all. The thing here is that they have just about the same chic look for a fraction of the price. So it only makes sense that the Cazalia artificial olive tree is the perfect choice for me. How about you? Next up are these Grandin Road sandstone arch bookends. These gorgeous pieces offer an Art Deco inspired look with a unique stone-like finish that brings elegance to any bookshelf. Made from durable sandstone resin, this matching set of 2 adds a sleek architectural flair to your space. Now, let's check out the dupe. This set of heavy-duty arch bookends offer a similar modern minimalist design with unique layered arch patterns that mimics natural stone. They're made from poly resin and come with high-end silicone pads to protect your furniture. Plus, they're perfect for holding heavy books. Talk about function and style. The high-end bookends are priced at $159, while the dupe set is just $44.30. So, if you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative with great functionality and design, the dupe is a great find. Wow, we've made it to the final two, y'all. If you've stuck around to this part, give this video a like and let me know which dupe is your favorite in the comments. Number 9 on my list is the Juno textured woven pillow from Grandin Road. At 22 inches, it's the perfect layering piece with its soft, textural checkered front. It comes with a plush down fill insert and has a hidden zipper for easy cleaning. This is a high-end quality pillow designed to complement any sofa or bed effortlessly. On the bright side, this set of 4 corduroy throw pillow covers gives you a similar textured look, but at a fraction of the cost. Made from durable fabric, they're kid and pet friendly and even come with invisible zippers for a clean, seamless design. Plus, they're machine washable, major bonus. The high-end Grandin Road pillow costs $95.20 just for one, while the dupe set of 4 18-inch pillow covers is just $17.99. The dupe is an unbeatable deal, and even after purchasing 4 inserts, if necessary, you're still spending less than $50 for 4 designer look pillows. You've made it to the end, yay! Finally, we have this Pottery Barn stunning chandelier with a chic combination of two-tone metals and blown glass orbs. It's modern, elegant, and has that mid-century inspired vibe. I can definitely see this in a bathroom, a dining room, or a kitchen. Now let's check out the dupe. This Amazon chandelier mimics the high-end design with the same mix of two-tone metals and blown glass shades. It comes in 2 sizes and even has an adjustable hanging length for more flexibility. Plus, it's dimmer switch compatible, making it easy to set the mood in any space. If you want the prestige of designer lighting, the high-end version is a showstopper. Then go ahead and get your splurge on for $900 plus tax. But if you love a stylish statement piece with more size options for a few hundreds less in price, the Amazon dupe for $549 is a total win. Who says you can't have a luxe-looking home without spending all your money? The trick is all in the details, my friend. Check out these final tips. First in our list is focus on appearance. When shopping for dupes, make sure they look just as fab as the real deal. Also, pay attention to textures, finishes, and colors, because we all know that a dupe should look expensive, even if it's not. Check out product photos and always read those reviews. And if it feels too low quality, aka cheap, move along. There's always a better and more stylish option out there just waiting for you. And just like that, luxury doesn't always mean being expensive. It just means being intentional. And when we can stop overspending on one item, we can start creating a brand new vibe for much less. Well, that is all, y'all. So if you like smart styling like this, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and visit my website at LonnieDoesIt.com. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.